Hello everyone, my name is Akanksha Srivastava. I'm here to explain the topic e-banking. So e-banking means electronic banking, or we can say virtual banking. It is a system to allow customer of the bank to undertake all the financial transaction through computerized system. An account holder can manage their account without going to bank. So, e-banking is defined as an automated delivery of new or traditional banking products and services directly to the customer through electronically. Okay, e-banking includes the system that enable financial institution, customers, individual or businesses to access account, transact business or obtain information of the bank without going to the branch. So next, if we talk about the characteristics of banking or the features of banking, so first is removable of traditional geographic barrier, means you can use the banking facility without going to any particular place. You can use or avail any kind of banking services only by using your mobile phones. So it can be used anywhere and anytime. Quick and fast information you can get by using the e-banking services. Digital progress, customer convenience is also one of the most benefited characteristics of the e-banking. It's also save the time of the consumer. Now we talk about the e-banking services. So e-banking services like bill payment system, online fund transfer, which include RTGS, NEFT, IMPS, UPI, these kind of services bank provide to the customer who use e-banking facility. Credit card also, debit card, credit card, loan also provided by the bank to the customer for their further purchase or the further use. It is very benefited for the investment purpose also. Online shopping, movie ticket booking, online ticket, any kind of online ticket you can book by using e-banking services. Now, if we talk about the e-banking products, so earlier I am talking about the debit card, credit card, smart card. So debit card, it is a plastic card that allow the customer to use funds against his balance in the account. Debit card is basically a card which used by the customer to withdraw their own amount or own funds from the bank. And credit card is a plastic card that used by the customer to buy goods and services based on his promise to pay for these goods and services later on. So credit card is a card which provided by the bank, is a kind of plastic loan where customer uses the fund previously, or a prepaid kind of services is availed by this credit card, and pay their amount later on. Smart card is an embedded card which is used like in fund zone, or you can add some money or add some fund and avail many benefits by using that funds. And e-cash means money or script exchange only electronically. E-cash means like if I have that share and the bonds, or I have a cash electronically, I can exchange it with different kinds of branches of the bank. Now comes the topic, come on the topic, automated teller machine means ATM. ATM basically is a teller communication machine by which you can, or any people can, withdraw their cash from the bank. Okay. So next topic is mobile banking. So mobile banking is a service provided by a bank or any other financial institution that allows its customer to conduct financial transaction remotely by using mobile device such as smartphone, tablet, etc. Monitoring our bank account through the mobile is known as mobile banking. For example, if you want to check your balance, you can use mobile phones and by pressing some kind of numbers, you can use, or you can see your balance in your account. So mobile banking is also one of the major benefit or major feature of electronic banking. Now, benefits of e-banking. So there are many benefits, number of benefits of e-banking. First is it is easy to use, simple to use. Means if you have little knowledge also of computer, you can easily manage to use the electronic banking. Less cost means you need not to go any kind of branch to avail these kind of services. You only think what you want or what you have, that your mobile phone you can, or internet connection. If you have internet connection, you can use e-banking freely anywhere, any place. Or but it's very convenience also. Core banking also means if you have to if you uses e-banking, uh, you can easily manage your account without going to the branch. Now next is limitations. Everything has pros and cons, so e-banking also has a cons also. So first is it is mandatory to have internet facility. If you don't have internet facility, electronic banking is not for you. So if you have internet, and second most thing is you have certain kind of knowledge regarding the operations of e-banking also. If you don't have enough knowledge to use banking facilities, or you can or if you want to check your balance or open any kind of account without going to bank, so you have a certain kind of knowledge. Bank charge also there, you can pay certain kind of amount for their for these kind of services. Security threat is also there. Although government provide many and many policies or packages, or security system for your benefit, but though also there are many frauds occur, so chances of hacking or chances of security threat is there. So next point is difference between traditional banking and e-banking. So if I am talking about traditional banking means it is a relationship between the bank and the customer established through bank branch network. Means in traditional banking, people have to go to the branch for their services. But if the anyone can use e-banking, it refers to the banking on internet. You need not to go any kind of branch or any kind of place for your services. Now second is it does not provide proper marketing tool. Means if you use traditional marketing, you the only person you got to know is your branch manager and their clerks. The interaction between the branch person and the customer is the only key for their knowledge and nothing else. And in e-banking, it provides the facility of marketing of product easily. Means everywhere, every place you got to know, you see many kind of banners or advertisement which gave knowledge about the banking services, banking e-banking facilities provided by the bank. The coverage is limited, obviously, because it is a kind of personal marketing. So people or the person have to go to the branch for their services. And in the coverage of marketing is banking is huge, because anyone can use banking services, e-banking services, by using internet, and just have a certain kind of knowledge, and by their own place. Now next point is it does not provide complete check on banking transactions. Banking person only have the right, certain kind of rights to show you a limited transaction history or limited transaction knowledge. But if you avail e-banking services with inter-branch reconciliation system, frauds and errors would be deducted easily, because it can be networked by various branches. Now next is it involve processes which require more time. If you can say you want to withdraw money, you go bank, and you face many trouble for your own withdraw, for your own cash withdraw. But in e-banking there is nothing. You just put your transaction id, you just put your upi id, and cash is transferred or mainly transferred to one account to another.